I'm going to show you how to draw this police car. First, we'll start with the tires. Round circles. Now I'm going to make a line underneath that has to jump over the tires. The next line I'm going to make is this curved line that will be the front of the car. Then I'm going to go straight up and across and down. Now I'm going to make it connect to the back, making the back part a little curved. I'm going to add bumpers and the headlights and the important light on the top of the police car. Now I want to add windows. The windows are kind of shaped like triangles, but they're curved on the two sides. So I'm going to start with a triangle shape, almost, and then curve it. Same on the back. Curve it. Now I'm going to add the centers of the tires. Two more little circles. Now I'll add the steering wheel and the seats inside of the car. To make it look more like a police car, I'm going to put the word police on it. I'm going to make the word first and then the sign around it. You can add other details if you want, like the handles to open the doors, and even spokes inside the wheels. Remember to draw lightly so you can erase and change. That's called sketch.